Okay, this is the video inspection at 3626 Birdsong Avenue in Thousand Oaks. We're accessing the line through the 3-inch cleanout located by the front, by the garage. If you're looking at the house, it would be on your right-hand side. Right now what we're looking at is the city main, the shared clay line. As you can tell by the water running, that's actually from the shared line. So we're going to go ahead and pull the line back and inspect the rest of the line. Lateral line is a 4-inch clay. So this here is our transition from our lateral clay line to our 4-inch ABS plastic. This means now that we're back onto property side. Again, like I said, the sewer line on property is a 4-inch ABS plastic. Okay, now we're going to be pulling out through the 3-inch clean out here. Okay, so the lateral line is in good condition with no root intrusion, as well as line on property side. No root intrusions, no breaks. At this time, I do not recommend any repairs. So thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful day.